Voiceover on. Backrooms level 348 Clown Forrest. R/Backrooms. U/comprehensive art 897. Backrooms level 348 The Clown Forest. What is this level? There is a small chance that when you knock lip through reality you end up with level 348. This level consists of 3 stages formed in circles around each other. The first stage is on the outside and goes slowly towards the inner stages. The first appears to be a dead orchard that every few years bursts with fruit that is safe to eat. The second stage is what geographers say to resemble the forests of Kent, England, a wooded area of brown and grey trees, some of which have leaves. The third and center stage is a heavily wooded area with a large warehouse somewhere in the center. Buildings/resources. There are many stages of infrastructure here. It starts with small shacks built out of sticks. We are unsure of their origins, whether they are built by survivors or the entities. They sometimes include campfires. There are also broken down warehouses and permanent homes. This makes us believe that there was some sort of life before the forest took over. There aren't many resources here. There is what appears to be rain, but we are unsure if it is safe or not. The only that seems to be available drinkable water has been found in warehouses. Entities. There are few entities in this level. They consist of the average animal seen in English forests, such as birds and/or foxes. These animals all seem to be passive. They wander this possibly infinite level without needing to eat or drink. But there is also another type of entity. The clowns. The clowns were once survivors. We are unsure of how they acquire the masks. They wear creepy masks and wear the clothes that the survivors died with, and are unable to change their clothes. One person who managed to record them called them forest clowns. These entities have 2 different types of mask. The masks seem to control the entity, as there have been sittings of the entities trying to pull them off but failing. Their behavior is different for each mask. Clowns. There are only 2 types of masks, and this is thought to be based on their personality. It is thought that these clowns were once wanderers who also knock-lipped into the backrooms and met their fate there. We are unsure of how they got the masks. Their behavior is random and not to be trusted. They sometimes are friendly and sometimes instantly attack. After review, it is decided that they are extremely dangerous because of how they kill you. They seem to enjoy torturing you before you die. They will give you one of the most agonizing deaths the Backrooms has to offer. They carry weapons of all types, from huge axes to small knives. They have not been seen to carry firearms of any types. The 2 types of mask. Smiler stalks his prey until the very last moment. He is mostly quiet, but can't be known to snap a twig when he is following you. In most circumstances, you won't know he is there until he lets out a scream from behind you. He is faster than most humans and after testing, seems to not run out of energy. The only way to escape him is not alert him to your presence. From what we can tell, when you get to this level he has to see you to know you are there. If you do not alert him, you only have 1 clown to deal with. Warning, if you see him, it is the end. Do not run. Wrath. Like Smiler, he only chases you if alerted to his presence. But he is different. Unlike Smiler, he can't be seen before he chases you. He may appear in the corner of your eye, or if you glance behind you. If you see him, he will soon be gone if you blink. He seems to be able to teleport whenever he wants. Wrath, as the name suggests, is more of a psycho and kills his targets in a more horrible way. He tries to break their mind by appearing in the corner of their eye repeatedly. He gets closer and closer with each sighting until he kills you. He takes pleasure in torturing his targets, mentally and physically. He follows you until he grows bored of the mental torture and chases you until you can't run any further. He then slowly tortures you. Weapons. There is evidence of an ancient storage facility near the edge of the level. It is unreachable, as there is no way to get that far without dying. Smiler's weapons are two small one-handed axes, meant for a quick, slightly stealthy kill. Wrath's weapons consist of two wooden machetes. They seem harmless, but can cut you in half easily. They are made for slowly gutting victims. Footage of this level will be released after further review. There are many tapes of this level. No wonder has survived the entities of this level, so we are unsure of which level follows this. We only know that there is a small chance that when you clip through reality you end up on this level. Avoid them at all costs. Director of Level 348 Investigators Redacted. Deputy Director Redacted.